Today, we've launched an online training program for Volvo Penta dealers on how to use VolvoPentaShop.com website as the most efficient e-commerce, content, marketing, and ordering platform. Customer feedback is important for all dealers as it helps to improve their business, products, and the overall customer experience. What can you do as a customer if the required part isn't available? There is no engine available in the catalog. You can't find any special prices or discounts. The solution exists. Send all the required information about the issue you face to your dealer with just a couple of clicks and get the most professional support possible. See it on VolvoPentaShop.com. How simple it is. I am logged into the shop. I see products and prices in the shopping cart. However, I noticed there is no discount applied as my dealer announced before. I click Send Feedback at the bottom of the screen to take a screenshot. In the new pop-up, I can edit the screenshot in order to highlight the place I have issue with. Let us mark my zero discount with a red rectangle and save it. Type a corresponding subject. For example, no discount available. Then add description. Please provide me with a special discount for this part. Finally, press Send Feedback button to notify your dealer, and you are done. Your dealer will reach you shortly.